Welcome. So here I'm gonna be using the exact same algorithm as the same one that I posted up on YouTube just a while ago. So this should work for you and me, and you can be able to do it under 1 minute. So here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Booyah. There we go. So that is something that you can learn how to do in a very short amount of time. Uh, it's not really that hard. Just around four or five algorithms. That's all you have to memorize. Um, all it is 3 algorithms, but like 5 different situations. So. I